If you've been looking at Marvin windows, you've probably seen Essential and Infinity. But what's the real difference? Today I'm going to break down everything you need to know so you can choose the right window for your home without any second guessing. Hey, I'm Chris from Southwest Exteriors, and welcome back to the Home Solutions channel. If you're looking into fiberglass replacement windows, you've probably noticed that Marvin has a few different lines, and it's not always obvious which one's the best fit for you. Well, in this video, we're going to compare Marvin Essential versus Marvin Infinity windows, breaking down the biggest differences in design options, warranty coverage, pricing, and which one we recommend most often here in Texas. And hey, if videos like this help you feel more confident in your choices, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe. We share helpful homeowner advice just like this every week. Let's jump in. The biggest difference between Essential and Infinity is purpose. Infinity windows are designed specifically for replacement projects, like upgrading your existing home. Essential windows were originally built for new construction. That means Infinity gives you more flexibility, more sizes, shapes, and custom options, especially if your home has bigger or unusual openings, which we see a lot of here in San Antonio. One of the big questions we hear is, are they made of the same materials? Well, good news, whether you choose Essential or Infinity, you're getting the same incredible base material. Both use Ultrex fiberglass, Marvin's proprietary ultra-strong material. Plus, both windows come with Cardinal Glass, which is top of the line for energy efficiency. So you're in great shape for durability and insulation either way. And if you want more information on Cardinal Glass, check out the video linked above where we compare Cardinal Glass with window glass you might find at a big box store. Now here's where Infinity really shines. You get more size options, more shapes and specialty windows, more finish options including beautiful interior wood look called Everwood that can be stained to match your style. Essential keeps it simpler, fewer sizes, fewer finishes, and no wood look interiors. So if you have a specific vision for your windows, or if you have a unique space, Infinity's probably going to be the way to go. Performance-wise, you're not going to see a huge difference. Both lines deliver outstanding energy efficiency and long-term strength. The difference comes in the warranty. Infinity gives you slightly better coverage and easier transferability, which can really help if you ever plan to sell your home in the future. And when it comes to price, a lot of folks think Essential is way cheaper, but it's actually just about a 5% difference most of the time. So if you're leaning towards Infinity for the extra options and protection, you're not paying that much more. If you're in the San Antonio area and you're ready to explore the best window options for your home, schedule a free consultation with Southwest Exteriors. Or if you're still researching, check out our Learning Center on our website. It's full of helpful guides to make your decision even easier. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more expert insights on replacement windows. We hope to see you again here on the Home Solutions channel, where we want to give you the look you love coming home to.